Welcome to Easy Cooking with JUAN, and on today's recipe we're going to have my easy and delicious spaghetti. And if you haven't had my spaghetti, you better slap yourself and make sure your hands are super duper clean. And these are the ingredients you will need. You will need 1 tablespoon of red crushed peppers, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 packet of lifted onion soup mix, this whole thing of Prego sauce, a half of a sweet Vidalia onion, a half of bell pepper, Parmesan cheese, Mexican cheese, sour cream, and of course, the spaghetti noodles. And now I'm about to show you how to put your ground beef together for your spaghetti. First, you're going to need a teaspoon of black pepper, like that, just like that, y'all. Tablespoon of garlic powder. Make sure you season your meat, y'all. So it tastes bland and boring. 1 teaspoon of red crushed pepper, just to give it a little color, a little kick. That's all. And your lifted onion soup mix, just like that. And when this meat gets done, I'm going to show you the next step. And now, I'm about to show you how to put your spaghetti noodles in your boiling water. I have about 1.5 pounds of spaghetti noodles, and I'm about to put them in the boiling water, just like that. And you just let them boil for 15 minutes until done, and I'll be right back. And now, I'm about to show you how to mix your spaghetti sauce with your ground beef. First, you want to put your Parmesan cheese in here. So this is about 3 tablespoons Parmesan cheese. I'm going to do that first. You want to put all your Prego spaghetti sauce in your meat. You want to just like that. And you want to stir it around, mix it together, let it all get incorporated, just like that. Mix it around just like that. Let everything get incorporated, marry together, marinate together. All the seasonings and flavors and all that good stuff. Just like that. Just like that. And when I'm done, I'm going to come back and show you the finished product of my easy and delicious spaghetti. And this is the finished product of my easy and delicious spaghetti chop. It delicious. Looks good. It smells good. And I know it's going to taste good. And if you want more Easy Cooking with JUAN recipes, all you got to do is like, share, and subscribe. Tell the whole world what I'm doing in this kitchen each and every day. And make sure you watch all of my other videos.
I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it goes down, I know she gon' ride. I finally got somebody I can call mine.